Imagine pressing aging skin rewind today with a mask you mix in minutes. This is no fairy tale promise, it's kitchen science at its finest. In the next seconds, you'll see how tiny seeds unlock timeless radiance. Feel it tighten skin in gentle waves, smoothing lines and chasing wrinkles away. But first, clear your mind, breathe in, let anticipation dance on your skin. Because in moments, the ritual begins and youthfulness greets you face to face. First, let me show you step by step how to craft this age-defying potion. To begin, reach for humble flax seeds, tiny powerhouses of youthful energy. Scoop 2 heaped spoons into a saucepan, as if planting seeds of fresh beginnings. Pour in 1 cup of clear, cool water so every seed can awaken and bloom. Set the pot on medium heat 15 minutes, letting warmth tease out each silky strand. Keep the liquid swirling with slow care. Patience keeps flavors lively and pure. When white foam rises like morning mist, turn off the flame. The magic rests inside. Inside these seeds lie omega-rich wonders that battle age marks and fade them away. Strain the brew through soft, clean cloth, catching pure gel, silky and luminous. Gently press to lift the golden jelly, your skin's new ally against the years. Don't toss those swollen seeds. Reuse them as a gentle scrub or a nourishing meal. Massage the warm seeds over dull skin, letting natural oils kiss each cell. Let the layer rest 30 calm minutes, so nutrients soak deep beneath the surface. Rinse gently, as though unveiling silk, revealing refreshed, grateful skin beneath. Spoon the luminous gel into a glass jar. Seal it tight for tomorrow's glow sessions. Now, for an even richer fusion, let's whisk this gel into a creamy mask. Measure 2 glossy spoonfuls of gel, nestling them into a waiting bowl. Invite a spoon of plain, tangy yogurt to lighten and calm your weary skin. Its gentle acids brighten stubborn spots, while proteins soothe and even your tone. With each swirl, yogurt softens creases, turning back the clock cell by cell. Stir until textures merge like satin, creating a velvety, age-defying blend. Sprinkle a spoon of rice powder next, ancient Asian secret for porcelain glow. Rice gently polishes, lifts fine lines, leaving only youthful memories behind. Its minerals nudge collagen to awaken, bouncing skin back to supple resilience. Plus, it locks in delicate moisture, so radiance lingers long after rinse. Now drizzle creamy coconut oil, nature's emollient for dewy softness. Blend until the mix shines like pearl, rich and ready for a lavish treat. Coconut's antioxidants guard cells, shielding skin from future lines and sag. Ready to indulge? Here's the ritual that turns simple steps into self-care art. Paint the cream over just washed skin, as though wrapping it in liquid silk. Glide from forehead down to tender neck, giving love to every often missed inch. Let the mask rest for 30 slow breaths while you surrender to gentle stillness. Rinse away with cozy warm water. Watch dullness spiral down the drain. Repeat this nurturing trio weekly, thrice for results that speak aloud. Keep leftover gel chilled and sealed, ready to rescue skin any hurried night. For quicker care, smooth pure gel alone, letting its cool embrace calm irritation. Spread across face and trace along neck, chasing gravity's pull with firm resolve. Give the gel 30 unhurried minutes, then greet a mirror that smiles brighter. Finish with a gentle, warm rinse, locking in newfound suppleness. Use this crystal gel each glowing dawn and watch daily progress bloom like spring. It strengthens hidden elastic fibers, lifting contours that once felt weary. Now, journey to Japan's timeless wisdom, a silky remedy for spots and creases. It brightens shadowed patches with care, while smoothing age lines in one sweep. Ready your bowl and gentle whisk for a ritual cherished across generations. Skim snowy whites away from golden yolks, saving pure protein for firming magic. Whip the whites to airy, soft peaks, like morning clouds over Kyoto shrines. Stir in dark instant coffee grains, awakening skin with mild caffeine buzz. Choose any trusted brand at hand. The power lies in the roasted essence. until speckles vanish in the foam, creating a mocha-hued silk potion. Sift in a teaspoon of fine cornstarch to thicken and matte your glowing glaze. Whisk again till silky and smooth, ready to hug pores with velvet touch. I value your thoughtful reflections. They guide me to craft even finer tales. Share your skin stories below, please, so we grow wiser together. Drizzle in sweet almond elixir for vitamin-laden, silken finish. Gently swirl until oil disappears, unlocking a unified, creamy mask. And there you have nature's Botox, gentle yet mighty against every crease. Let's indulge in mindful application, turning minutes into a spa-like escape. Brush the foam over freshly rinsed skin, letting cool waves settle and soothe. A soft brush paints more evenly and feels like feathers over tired cheeks. Glide from brow to collarbone, so every contour feels honored. Tap lightly around delicate eyes, erasing fatigue with gentle strokes. Rest for half an hour of calm silence, letting nutrients weave unseen repairs. Peel or rinse the set mask away, revealing a silkier canvas beneath. Instantly, your fingertips will testify. Skin feels tighter, lifted, renewed. Gift yourself this ritual 2 days a week and savor steady, graceful transformations. Watch blemishes retreat in quiet awe, unveiling a clear, porcelain complexion. In time, wrinkles and whispers of lines fade like footprints on soft morning sand. Stubborn spots lighten softly day by day, leaving luminous, even-toned radiance. Yes, this brew rivals pricey clinics, a syringe-free ticket to youthful charm. Now you hold the cherished secret, shared by generations under lantern light. Thank you for sharing this journey. May your mirror greet you with new joy.